What if I told you about a new employee that is absolutely insane? It works 24/7, makes perfect decisions using data, and never asks for a vacation or a salary. This is not from a sci fi movie. For $1 billion gaming company in China, this is their actual CEO. In August 2022, the company NetDragon Websoft did the unthinkable. They hired an AI powered robot named Tang Yu as the CEO. This was not a joke or a PR stunt. They are literally using AI to run their company and making it unbelievably efficient. The age of the AI coworker isn't coming anymore. It's already here. And how does that impact you and your job? Let's talk about it. So, who or what is Tang Yu? She's not some Terminator walking around the office. She's a super advanced AI that acts as the brain for the entire company. Her entire job is to make sure things run faster, make the work a better place and make everything more efficient. Don't think of her as a boss, think of her as the world's greatest air traffic controller, but for the entire business. And it's really fascinating. If you look at her results, they are shocking. In the first 6 months after Tang Yu was hired, the company's stock went up 10%, which crushed the rest of the market. The chairman of the company, Dr. Dejian Liu, literally said, "We believe AI is the future of corporate management," and that hiring Tang Yu proved they were all in. And get this, in 2024, Tang Yu was named China's best virtual employee of the year. Her AI-led team processed over 300,000 forms, sent out almost 500,000 reminders, and even helped 40,000 employees with their careers. Now, this isn't just about speed, it's about changing how a business is run, and their goal is to build the entire company in the metaverse. Now, Tang Yu isn't just a one time experiment, she is the first sign of a massive change. This AI has a real title, real power, and she's making companies real money. And I'm telling you, this isn't science fiction anymore. This is the new reality, and it's the beginning of something so much bigger. Tang Yu might be the CEO, but the real revolution is happening at every single level of business. We are watching the birth of AI agents, which are basically autonomous digital employees that never sleep. Now, imagine an intern who could learn so fast that they could be a top level strategist without ever stopping for a coffee break. And don't think this is coming in 10 years. A research firm called Gartner says that by 2026, a staggering 40% of all business apps will have AI agents built into them. Today, it's less than 5%. That's like going from one smart speaker in your house to a digital assistant on every single device you own. By 2029, they predict different AIs will team up to work on insane projects together, like a digital factory of hyper specialized robots. Now, a new survey from McKinsey shows this is already happening now. As of late 2025, 88% of companies are using AI somewhere in their business, and 62% of them are already planning and playing with these AI agents. We're seeing this everywhere. The delivery company UPS has an AI called ORION that has been planning routes for its drivers for years, and the impact is mind-blowing. It saves company 100 million miles and 10 million gallons of fuel every year, which in turn saves them between 300 to 400 million. And AI is saving a company 400 million every year. That's not an upgrade. That's the AI writing a completely new playbook. AI is now everywhere and it's creating an entire digital workforce. Okay, this is the part where everyone asks the same scary question. Is my job safe? It's the biggest fear with AI and it completely makes sense. When an AI can save one company 400 million, you have to wonder what that means for human jobs. The first job on the chopping block are the one built on processing data and doing the same repetitive tasks over and over again. McKinsey's 2025 report found that 32% of companies using AI expect to shrink their number of employees in the next year. That's almost a third of companies. By losing your job, it's only half the problem. The other huge danger is that we're relying on a technology that can also be wrong. Now, the number one risk that businesses are terrified of is inaccuracy, which we also call the AI hallucination problem, where the AI just makes stuff up. Now, in 2025 survey, 51% of the companies using AI said they've already had a problem because of it. Imagine an AI makes a huge mistake on a risk report or even a performance review. That's a disaster. Now, on top of that, there is a massive risk if you move too slowly. Gartner analysts have already warned that companies only have a few months to figure out their AI strategy. It's a race, and AI is the new turbo engine. If you don't have yours installed fast, your competitors will leave you in the dust. We're facing two giant dangers at once: the risk of your job disappearing and the risk of trusting AI too much. The future of your job depends on what happens right now. This change is happening faster than anyone imagined. What is your biggest fear or hope about AI in the job? Let me know in the comments below. I seriously want to know what you guys think about all of this. Now, the fear of job loss is real. But listen, history shows us that huge technology revolutions don't just kill jobs, they change them and create brand new ones we couldn't even imagine. This new world isn't about you versus the machine, it's about you and the machine. Your role is changing from doing the work to managing the work. You're like a conductor of an orchestra. You're not playing the instruments anymore. You're leading a team of AI to create something incredible and a beautiful melody. This is already creating a huge demand for new jobs that have never existed before. We're seeing the first AI orchestrators, AI ethics officer, and human AI interaction designers. These are the jobs that were science fiction just a few years ago. Your value is no longer doing just the task. Your value is now managing your AI team, asking the right questions, and using your human brain to judge their work. LinkedIn's 2025 report says that 70% of the skills needed for most jobs will be completely different by 2030, all because of AI. The focus now is on the human skills that AI can't copy. AI is the world's best calculator, but we are the ones who decide which problems are worth solving using that calculator. So, what can you actually do? The experts all say you need to start learning about AI right now. It's like learning a new language to talk to your future coworkers. You have to play with these tools. Learn how to prompt them. The people who win will be the ones who see AI not as a threat, but as an unbelievably powerful partner. This isn't about beating the machine, it's about working with the machine to do things that were previously impossible. Now, we started this video with Tang Yu, the AI CEO, who seems like something from a crazy sci fi movie. But as you have just seen, she isn't a freak accident. She is the first sign of a change that will affect the very meaning of work. From the CEO's office at NetDragon to the delivery trucks at UPS, AI isn't just a tool anymore. It's becoming our new colleague. Look, this is going to be a bumpy ride. The risks are real. Jobs will be lost and AIs will make huge mistakes. But the opportunity is even bigger. We can let the robots do all the boring work, repetitive work, while we focus on the things that only humans can do. That is being creative. Think of it like the next massive idea or using emotional intelligence. The future of work isn't decided yet. We are literally writing it right now. With every new thing we learn and every new rule we make. The first AI employees here and the new era has begun. The only question left is, what part are you going to play in it? Thank you for watching. If you found this valuable, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next video and you won't believe what's coming out in the next video. Thank you.